Making a traditional Mexican taco is a fun and delicious experience. Tacos are one of the most iconic foods in Mexican cuisine, and they can be customized with a variety of fillings and toppings. Whether you're making tacos with a simple filling or something more elaborate, here's a basic guide to help you create a classic taco from scratch. Step 1. Choose your protein or filling. The first step in making a taco is choosing your protein or filling. Some popular options include carne asada, grilled beef. This is a favorite choice for tacos. You can marinate the beef in lime juice, garlic, and spices like cumin and chili powder before grilling it to perfection. Polo, chicken. You can use grilled or shredded chicken, seasoned with a blend of Mexican spices like paprika, garlic powder, and chili powder. If you prefer, you can also braise the chicken with herbs for a more tender filling. Carnitas, slow-cooked pork. Carnitas is made by slow-cooking pork until it's tender and flavorful. The pork is typically cooked with onions, garlic, and orange juice, then shredded for the tacos. Vegetarian options. For a vegetarian taco, you can use grilled vegetables, beans, or even sautéed mushrooms as a filling. Once you have your filling chosen, make sure it is cooked properly and seasoned well with flavors like garlic, onion, cumin, cilantro, and chili powder. Step 2. Prepare the tortillas. Tacos are traditionally served on soft corn tortillas, but flour tortillas are also common. You can either buy store-bought tortillas or make your own at home for a more authentic experience. If you want to make them from scratch, the process involves mixing masa harina, corn flour, water, and a pinch of salt to form a dough. Roll the dough into small balls and flatten them using a tortilla press or a rolling pin to create thin, round tortillas. Once your tortillas are prepared, heat them on a dry skillet or comal over medium-high heat for about 30 seconds on each side. They should be soft and warm, but not crispy. If you prefer crispy tacos, you can fry them in oil after filling them. Step 3. Assemble the tacos. Now that you have your protein and tortillas ready, it's time to assemble your tacos. Start by placing your warm tortilla on a plate and then spoon a generous amount of the cooked protein or filling into the center. The amount can vary depending on your preference, but try not to overfill the tortilla so that you can easily fold it without it falling apart. Step 4. Add toppings. Tacos are all about balance, and the right toppings will bring everything together. Here are some classic Mexican taco toppings. Fresh cilantro adds a burst of flavor and a bright green color. Onions. Chopped raw onions or pickled onions provide a nice crunch and a slight tanginess. Lime wedges. Squeeze a fresh lime over your taco for a zesty, citrusy kick. Salsa. Whether it's a fresh pico de gallo, tomato, onion, cilantro, lime, and chili, or a smoky, spicy salsa roja, salsa is essential. Avocado or guacamole. Creamy and rich, avocado or guacamole adds a smooth texture and flavor. Cheese. Crumbled queso fresco or shredded cheese can be added for a creamy texture. Radishes. Thinly sliced radishes can add crunch and peppery flavor. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Once you've added your toppings, it's time to fold your taco and enjoy. Serve your tacos with additional salsas and lime wedges on the side. Tacos are usually eaten with your hands, so don't be shy to get a little messy. Final tips. If you're making tacos for a group, consider preparing a taco bar with various proteins, toppings, and salsas so everyone can customize their tacos to their liking. Fresh, quality ingredients make all the difference. Use the freshest herbs, vegetables, and spices for the best flavor. The choice of salsa can make your taco either mild or spicy. Experiment with different types of salsa, from mild tomato-based to fiery habanero salsas. Making tacos is a wonderful way to explore the flavors of Mexico, and with so many filling and topping options, you can create tacos that suit any taste.